Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here at a new listing in the Refuge. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're just going to do a voiceover on this one. They're doing a bunch of construction across the street and they're having open house. So anyway, this is 3494 North Winfred Way out in the Refuge. It was just listed for $989,900. Refuge is a gated community on a golf course. Underground utilities, natural gas typically out here. Real nice stacked stonework in the front. Nice big lake shot from the front, and they have a little landing that they did some travertine on, so you can sit there, have some coffee, and check out the lake view. So they did the 8-foot entry door, 4-hinged entry door. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home built in 2005, 2,225 square feet. Sits on a 9,100 square foot lot. Again, it was just listed about a week ago for $989,900. Nice tall ceilings, open living area. Nice window coverings. There is a fireplace in this one. They have speakers in the ceiling. And that's a natural gas fireplace, by the way. So they have a rear kitchen, granite tops, eat-at bar. Have your stainless appliances and your gas range. Little kitchen island. They did do upgraded cabinets in this one. There's travertine tile backsplash. Cool lights. There is RO at the sink. So this one has a kind of a formal dining area, you might have noticed. So this is the master. Vaulted ceilings in here. Slider out to the backyard pool area. All window coverings in the whole house, of course. Double door entry. And you have your master bath. It's pretty good size. Has dual sinks, same upgraded cabinets, big mirror, can lights, tall ceilings. Your toilet with its own door. There's some cool lights in here as well. And a jetted tub, all travertine tile. Little walk-in shower. TV for the soaking tub, of course. You gotta have the TV. And you have a walk-in closet. Another cool light. So you have your garage access and indoor laundry we'll go check out in a minute. So this is a split floor plan, so the other 2 guest bedrooms are on the other side of the house. So you have guest bedroom number 1, kind of in the middle of the house. Those double doors you saw behind me are just storage. So you have your guest bath. Big mirror in here as well. Has a little bit of storage and a tiled shower. And at the end of the hall, at the front of the house, you have bedroom number 2. So you have your indoor laundry and garage access off the master and kitchen. So you have a nice garage setup as a 23 and a 43 foot bay, 8-foot doors, has a mini split AC unit. Also have central vac, your RO, water softener, and your hot water is on natural gas. Man door out to the backyard pool area. And I did leave in some of the backyard audio just because everybody loves water sounds, including me. Cool hot tub. It's called a Champaign Edge Spa. It's very cool. And it has a baja shelf with 2 tables, a gas fire pit, all travertine decking and coping. Little turf on the side of the yard over here for the dog. Stacked stone up the sides. Very cool setup. The rest of the deck is like stamped concrete. So you have 2 little tables, nice baja shelf. Little outdoor seating area. They just did the pool and it was just getting filled up. That's why there's a hose in it. They were just cleaning it. A couple spillways. It's pretty private. Nobody's looking in on you. And then you have a gas little fire feature as well. It's pretty cool.
Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here in the Refuge. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.